Oh, look at him. He even came trotting in here. He's like, G. There's so many clothes right here. I need to put them in my closet. Oh, shoot. Scared. Oh, it's okay. Ooh. What? Oh. I started again, just need to get this over with, but if y'all looking for bud, I might be able to get y'all some by lunch tomorrow. Maybe if you could get it, but you would be alone, just don't smoke it, just get it. Could you come next weekend? Okay. That would be good. Yeah. I'm trying to pull it in here. That sucks. I thought you were going to say tonight. Yeah, I know. Did you just said, oh gosh, that's my hand joggers. Hand joggers. That's what I hate about chokers. Oh. When you brush your hair in the back, it gets hot. Oh god, that's my hand joggers. You sound like a frog. Like what? A frog? Oh my gosh, it's so embarrassing. And this happens at school all the time and everyone laughs.